Meaning of isolationism.
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 Isolationism. Isolationism typically refers to a national policy or practice of avoiding political or economic entanglements with other countries. This can involve limiting trade, restricting immigration, and avoiding involvement in international conflicts or alliances. Isolationist policies are often motivated by a desire to protect national security or preserve cultural traditions, but they can also have negative consequences such as limiting economic growth and innovation, and reducing opportunities for cultural exchange and diplomacy.